Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. This time about how I got the best results in low light with the GoPro Hero 7 so far. In these shots the camera is shooting 4K 30 frames per second, the stabilization is turned on and the camera is mounted to my FE Attack wearable gimbal too. Here you can briefly see the difference between the shots with and without the gimbal. All other settings on the camera are the same in both videos. As you can see, the results are better than in my last video, nevertheless the image is dark and noisy. This is why I keep my opinion that the next GoPro should really get a new, bigger sensor. This could have a similar effect as in the DJI Mavic 2 Pro where the 1-inch sensor brought awesome low light capabilities.